Hey, what's going on, hustlers? So here's the deal. I don't really get all wrapped up and all worked up over feedback. You're gonna get your share of negative feedback. That's just part of being on Amazon. Half the time I don't even check it. But every now and then I'll come across one and I'm like, no, no, Amazon, you're gonna get rid of this. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Check this out. now here you can see somebody gave me a 1. They said sends old inventory that is expired, and you can see Amazon took the fall for that. They took responsibility. They sent it. Somebody said worst delivery method of a perishable item. They took the fall. You know what I mean? One bag was open and crushed. I mean, by the way, you guys, for those that don't know, I do a lot of groceries, so you're gonna have that type of stuff, bags and stuff. And Amazon, I don't know what they're thinking half the time when they ship. Whatever, they take the fall. Now, then I see this one. Guy gives me a rating of 1, and this is what he says: it is made of low glycemic fake sugar, but just another natural sweetener. Great for diabetics, but not when the bottle breaks like mine did. Now, here's what I'm gonna say about that. Okay, number one, you want to talk about the type of sugar that they used. You had the nutritional facts before you made the decision to purchase the product, so I'm not really buying this. Then he wants to say one of the bottles broke. Now, Amazon will take care of that, but this guy clearly just wanted to give a negative review. Again, at the end of the day, I really don't care. I think my lifetime, I've got 92%. Guys, you got people. I was just watching a Christopher Grant video. He was saying you got people 70% controlling the buy box. So it's not that serious. This is more just on principle for me. So here's where I think I'm gonna get them. Where I think I have, because what I'm gonna have to do, what you can do is this. Here, watch this. And most of you are familiar with this, but you can try to get it automatically deleted. So right here, request removal. And there, I tried to get it removed. We have reviewed this feedback and found that it is not in violation of our guidelines and has been retained. To request further review of this decision, reopen the case in the case log, and that's what I'm gonna do. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it, and then we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna beat it. Here's the reason why. I'm gonna beat it on the part where a bottle was broken, because this was shipped by Amazon, so I got them. But I'm gonna mention the fake sugar, but I'm gonna mention the bottle broken first. That's gonna be the first thing that somebody looks at when they start the review process. So let's get in there and see what we can do. Okay, so what you could do, you could come up to the top and you can go to where it says help right up in the corner. And when you click on help, you're gonna see a screen that looks like this. Now, listen, once you try to go through the automated system to get the feedback removed, you get an answer, regardless of what the answer says, that gets filed in your case log. So you can come right over here, you can launch your case log, and then when you come to your case, see if you can find, you'll look by the order number. I already know this is the order that I got an issue with. And you'll see feedback removal request, and then you'll say, you know, need more help with this issue. And then there you'll have a block to type something. Don't make it too complicated. This was an FBA order and the customer claims a bottle was broken, so I am requesting a strike through. Also, I'll just say much of the feedback was a product review, which is against Amazon policy. Thank you. I'll submit that. And now you can see it has updated the thread, right? Because I initially put in back on the 28th, and now today is the 31st, and now we have that updated. So we'll see what happens. Now, if we go back to our case log, now you can see that, remember we created that on the 28th, and we can see that the status is pending. Now remember, it's the 31st. So we're gonna come back and we'll see, maybe later today, they will remove it. I don't think they'll get to it today though. So let's see what happens. Got him. Got him. They removed the feedback, and check this out. They did it quick. I mean, they did it with the quickness. It ain't even been 10 minutes, I don't think. Hold on a second. So went back to my case log. Here it is, already answered. Now check out what they said. They go through the whole hello from Amazon, da 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 da. I understand your request for customer feedback, blah 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 blah. I understand the negative impact review, da da da. We apologize, da da da. We understand how important, da 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 da. If we were in your place, we would have worried too, and blah 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 blah. We appreciate your efforts. Check this out. We have confirmed that the feedback for order da 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 does not meet our feedback guidelines. We have removed the inappropriate entry and the rating. That means the whole thing has been removed. When feedback is removed, we notify the buyer and allow them to make a one-time update to their feedback rating and star rating. Thank you, blah 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 blah. So let's take a look at it and see what happens. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this order number, we're gonna copy it because I want to see if we can find that. So hold on. Looking for it. It was right in the middle somewhere. Now if we do a Control F, so that's our number, it's nowhere in there. Okay, they completely removed it out of there. So here's what we learned about this, so pay attention. Number one, you don't have to accept bad feedback if it bothers you. Like I said, most of the time I really don't care, but I do get some that just stick in my craw. I'm like, it's clear you just want to leave some negative feedback, try to hurt me like that. No, if you can find something that's gonna be on your side, you know what I mean? If the entire feedback is basically a product review, that is not what the intent is, to give ratings. So you got them. If it was an FBA item, you know, see, I had him. I knew I had him cornered. I just didn't think that Amazon was going to respond as fast. And guys, you follow this channel, I will complain about Amazon. They have done things to upset me, but I have to also tell you when they do things right. This is something that I appreciate. Okay, I'm actually impressed. So if go back through the video and go through the process, if you can't figure out how to get to your case log and respond, give more details, just contact me. Either leave a question in the review. I will respond with a personalized video for you. I've done that in the past. You get your video, you can see. It's just like me talking to you now, just walking you through, showing my screen. Also, you can text the words Working Class Hustler to the number down in the description. Get connected with me, and then I can help you with anything. It doesn't cost you anything. This is just what I do, guys. So I hope this I hope this adds value. If you enjoyed the video, if it gave you any kind of value, please, number one, let us know. Just leave a comment, please let us know that you appreciated the video. It lets my producer Jim and I know that what we're doing is, you know, beneficial. Trust me, we ain't making the money. So, and that hasn't stopped us, but we do appreciate. That's what gives us the motivation to keep doing this. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let us know how you deal with customer feedback. Let us know if you care. Let us know, you know, what your philosophy is, some experiences you've had, tips, tricks, anything that'll help the community. You know, a lot of guys, they get upset when they get bad feedback, and there's nothing wrong with that. I understand that. So hopefully this helps you out. You don't have to accept all feedback, and there is a way, a means to take your case up higher, because a lot of this is just automatic. Let's take it off the automated platform and get it to a person who's going to actually review your case. So with all that being said, do check out the Working Class Hustler channel if you want to see some things like exactly my day-to-day. You may not be interested in that, but if you want to see how I run this Amazon business, as well as my job, if you want to see some other things that I get into, I make money through affiliate marketing. I've gotten into selling diabetic testing supplies. We got videos coming out about that. Go out there, link is in the description. Check out the Working Class Hustler channel. Help us grow that channel, and we can become a little bit diverse. That was the purpose of making that channel. This channel focuses on selling on Amazon. There's other ways to make money out there, and we're trying to tap into as many revenue streams as we can get into. So I'll see you guys in the next video.